What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing an upgrade on my Civic Type R. We're going to be replacing some of the lights with LEDs. These are from AUXITO. This is the interior light here. Then we're going to be doing the reverse lights. And then we have a few lights for the trunk area, the hatchback area. All we should be needing is a pry tool and a fill whip. So let's get started here. Let's get this out of the way. This light right here, it is not very bright. Let's see here. These pry tools are pretty awesome. I got this on Amazon. It should be the easiest of all of them. Okay, so interior right here. Actually, you should probably use a microfiber towel so don't get any oils on that thing. So it's probably gonna be hot. Always nice to have these. If you guys are interested in any of these lights, I will put a code in the description and exactly which ones I have, and I can get you guys a 15% discount on the whole website. So get excited. I think the actual dome light in there is already LED, so no need to upgrade that one. I think it can go either way, so let's see here. Oh yeah, that looks better already. Wow, that was super easy and fast. Yeah, much better. So I've done one so far. This is the stock one. That's what it looks like, obviously. And then we got this one, it's just a little bit brighter. Definitely a little brighter. So we got the factory one, obviously, and then the upgraded bulb. Much better. All right, guys, I finally got these installed. They were kind of a pain in the butt. Be very careful with the clips. These now are much brighter. I haven't seen these at night yet, but wow. I'm sure the camera is gonna be a lot easier to see. And then we also replaced that light right there. So if you would like a hookup on these 3 different type of lights, the reverse lights, the blinkers, and the interior hatchback light, I have a link in this video and a 15% off the light. All right, something else I didn't know, if you guys do replace these lights, it makes the blinkers in the rear and the front like blink extra fast. Here's what the car looks like after I put my 20s back on. So a different angle with the sun and the front lip. Looking clean, man. Now I just need to put some air in my tire. All right, when it gets a little darker, I'm gonna do a light comparison for the rear lights so you guys can see what they look like. All right, guys, it's a little darker outside, so we're gonna open the garage and see how much brighter these AUXITO LED lights are. As you can see, they really light up the back camera in reverse. So let's bust open this garage door here. I mean, it's like, whoo, that is bright, man. All right, here we go. So much brighter, like it's gleaming. All right, so this will give you guys an idea just how much brighter it is. I'm gonna turn off the reverse just so you can see the rear blinker. And again, look, check this out. It really lights up everything. Much brighter. I think these are definitely worth it. If you guys are interested, I will put the link in the description and the description of each light, because there currently isn't a Civic Type R of the 2023 FL5 model on the AUXITO website yet. So if you're interested, just use the 15% discount code and make sure, I guess, you cut and paste and make sure you order the right one. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace out, and I hope you enjoy.